and welcome to the video for today. This is the last one of the Advent calendar. It's the 25th of December. It's Christmas Day. We have done all the tree. It's all done in all its glory. There's nothing left to do than turn it on, put the little train in motion and set some light on there and some sound so you can really see it in all its glory. So I'm going to try to do that so you really can see and enjoy how it looks now. So let's turn around and take a closer look at the tree. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for joining me on YouTube. Thank you for supporting my videos and my work. I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I really wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will see you in the new year. Love you all and happy crafting.